Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Where is Brittany? I'm Brittany and I'm coming to you from one half of Sister Sister, and we are in Lewiston, I believe it's called Lewiston, New York. It's me by myself. I'm gonna go ahead and drive across the border. I have my passport, I have proof of registration and all that stuff, so I should be fine, but I do not have a printed copy of my insurance. I have it on my phone, so we'll see if that works to make it through the border. If not, then I won't be driving the car over to Canada. I do have my e-bike, so we might just drive the e-bike over there if I'm not able to drive over, so we'll see. Jada, I'm leaving her inside of Tamara. The AC is running, so she's good to go. So let's go ahead and get on the road and make our way across the border. Hey, welcome to my channel, Where is Brittany? I'm Brittany and I travel full-time on the road with my fur baby Jada in this RPod 153. We initially started our travels in my self-converted Skoolie named Domino, but with mechanical issue after mechanical issue, it was time to put her in storage and purchase something more reliable. And now I have Tia and Tamara, aka Sister Sister. Join me as I save up to purchase my dream land and navigate life as a solo female traveler. Alright, I paid the toll. It was $5 American. Now, I have my documents, so let's see.
Welcome to Canada. 1,000 feet, slight right onto Blondine Avenue.
It would only been $1 to walk across, but it's just too hot, y'all. So I'm like, nah, let's try and drive this baby across, and hopefully my insurance.
Head southeast on Rainbow Bridge.
Hopefully my insurance card on my phone will work.
5-minute slowdown on Niagara Street in 200 meters. You are still on the fastest route.
We're in freaking Canada, eh? So exciting. It is hot, y'all. I feel like I should have brought my umbrella. I have it in the car, but I'm not sure. But let's get to walking. I am just like, what? Ooh, I'm gonna go up because that's what I want to do. All I can do is smile, y'all. So I was looking on social media, and of course social media has a way of reminding you of where you've been this time last year and the year prior. Well, this time last year, I was at the highest point I've been in the United States, the highest point I've been in the United States on the West Coast, and that was in Discovery Bay, Washington. And now, this year, I'm at the highest point I've ever been, and it is here, y'all. It's insane, you know, how much can change in a year. Last year I was in Domino. This year I have this set up, and I'm looking at this, y'all.
A new place, a new home, for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt.
Some maple cookies. Yeah, this was the look for today.
Get me up, sewing in, sewing
and here's the other side, my goodness.
I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way, I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way.
So I've never had poutine, I think that's how you pronounce it, poutine before, and I'm at Burger King, y'all. So they have it on the menu, and so I wanted to try it for the first time. So let me show y'all what it looks like. I've never seen it before in real life either, so I didn't really know what to expect. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and try it. Not bad. On the menu, they also had a buttery chicken wrap, and I wanted to try that too. So let's go. So it's like curry chicken. It's like a curry chicken wrap. Tastes good to me. Alrighty, my friends, I am making my way down to go view the Niagara Falls from Canada side. So basically I've just been walking up and down looking at the different stuff, the little tourist area, and yeah, I've been over here for almost like 2 hours. So I'm gonna go down, look at the water, and then make my way back to the United States side because I have a boat ride that we're gonna do.
Cause I found my way, my way, my way, my way, my way. I found my way, I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way, I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way.
Alrighty, my friends, we are making our way back to the car. I'm hot, but I'm still just like on cloud 9 right now, and I need to cool down. It's kind of loud. So yeah, we're just gonna make our way back to the car and then go back across to the US side, and then we have a boat tour that's gonna get us a little misty, which I'm super excited about. I brought my GoPro, so we don't have to worry about getting super wet. But yeah, let's go. All right, we're back. I switched out my shoes because we are about to get partially wet, my friends. Just for notes, Rainbow Boulevard elevator level 3. Alrighty, so we're off to Maid of the Mist. Let's go. Still walking. tea. Oh my gosh, y'all. This is magical. Like, it really is magical. I just don't know what to say, y'all. I'm so blessed and I'm feeling all types of gratitude right now in life. And I'm just gonna ride this wave of gratitude, my friends. About to put on my poncho. But yeah, we're getting on one of these. So everybody's making their way to the top floor, you know, because it's wide open and everything. But I'm okay down here on the lower level. Got the little shade, and so far nobody's down here but me.
To leave, already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Be free. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
And that, my friends, is Niagara Falls. Thank you all so much for tuning in to find out where is Brittany. I will catch you guys on the next episode. I love you all so much. Bye.